Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, well, we are taking a look at the complete destruction of Tesla stock price. Wow, what's going on? Well, we'll also take a look at Nvidia, AMD. SMCI video will be coming out separately later today. I just want to see it after earnings. The report has come out, but I want to see the price action stabilize after through the guidance and all of that. Oh, well, the earnings call and all of that. So SMCI video will come out later. We'll talk about ARM, Micron, and also Intel. Guys, who thought that Intel would do a comeback? But we'll get to that. All right, so let's start off with Tesla, right? Now, none of this is a surprise. If you have been seeing my videos, I mentioned that 373, we lose it. We're going to open up the doors to 325 to $326. We got there, right over there. Right now, that's where we have done a touchdown. Are we becoming bullish? Are we going to rebound from here? Well, right now, I'm not seeing any price action that tells me that we're going to rebound. If something happens tomorrow on the intraday, rebound, we'll have to see the price action, right? Right now, I'm not seeing any structure that tells me that. If some rebound has to come, well, at least we'll have to see it get above first 334, and that may give it some rebound, maybe it's somewhere around 345 area, but that'll just be a rebound for a day if that even happens. The reason I'm saying if that even happens, because what I want to show you on the hourly interval is just, guys, complete destruction, and that is throughout the whole day. Look at the amount of selling that we are seeing on Tesla. Big players are dumping Tesla right now. They're like, we don't want to hold on to this thing. It's a hot potato right now. Just let it go, right? Look, there will be times to buy Tesla. And in the previous videos, I have talked about where are those levels. I'll talk about them today as well in this video. But right now, everyone is dumping it throughout the whole day. Every hour, huge sell-off volume. We had a sell-off yesterday as well, but you can see during the lunch hour or something, volume slows down. Volume always slows down. Volume always slow down no matter what. Today what we are seeing, every hour, it's like hand over fist, sell, 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 sell. The volume is talking to you. Anyways, where did we come all the way down to? Our significant level marked by my tools, right over there. This is where we stopped, and that's why these levels are so important. Again, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description of this video, all right? So, well, a complete bloodbath is what we are witnessing on Tesla. Nothing to, guys, do here, all right? Nothing to do here right now, all right? As I said, some intraday rebound if we get above this 334. Let's get to the hourly interval real quick. Yeah, if we get above 334 tomorrow, maybe some little bit of a feeble rebound is possible, but nothing more than that right now on Tesla. All right, it's just full on in the downward structure. And what I want to actually now just really quickly go over with you is the where are the the strong stronger demand zones. As you know, I'm interested to see price at 275. I would like to pick up some Tesla over there, but then there's a $300 level as well, which right now is not showing up on the screen because I haven't adjusted the timeline on my tools, which will just do right away. And guys, if you need access to my tools, check out the links in the description of this video. And also with that 45 plus stocks coverage, also there's an option to take that as well. Links, check out in the description of this video. All the information is there, because as we'll get to Intel, I'm going to talk on Intel today, which is part of one of the 45 stocks. But if you were a member on Intel, you would have caught on way early to the move that we got yesterday, because members got to know about the actual move yesterday. All right, anyways, now today we're just seeing a follow through on Intel, but anyways, we'll get to that. So that's what Tesla is, guys. $300, sure, somewhere, the next area, well, sorry, 314. The area after that is 300. Again, those will be just areas where we'll see the price action, what it does. Right now, I'm not seeing any stabilization. I'm not seeing any possibility of overall structural rebound. So, but 275 is the strongest of all others. That's where, if we get there, well, I'm like, wow, I would love to pick up Tesla more. Otherwise, right now, I'm just going to see where it stabilizes the price, right? Anyways, that's Tesla for you. Let's get to Nvidia. So SMCI, has its stuff ongoing right now. Not much changing or affecting Nvidia and AMD. And so overall, well, actually, let me just real quick something here let's get back to the normal, well, at least the timeline that I would like to have it for Nvidia here on my tools. All right, so here on Nvidia, guys, we are just fine. Today, a little bit of a pullback, still bullish at this point, as I said, until even 127. That will just constitute an overall pullback. Nvidia technical is in the bullish structure and can remain bullish through the, pullbacks as well. But the question is the intraday weakness coming? Because intraday weakness can happen, which may still be remaining pullback on the overall structure as long as we don't lose like 127. And for that would be if tomorrow we lose 131 and 22 cents on intraday level, weakness is possible intraday. All right, but that would be that only for now. Otherwise, overall structure is just bullish on Nvidia. Let's get to AMD, because AMD is not looking that bad right now. But overall structure is not bullish. I would like to see it get above this very level of 112, close a day above it, then only I would say overall strength is starting to build again. Otherwise, no. And on intraday, again, a good day though. Technically, we had our fair share of bounces. We still rejected at 112, but we are holding a higher low pivot. Really good price action though. Tomorrow, intraday, we will remain strong above 110 and 90 cents. If we lose it, intraday weakness is possible again. And we want to get above 112 also. I would love to see it above 200 hours moving average for the overall strength. And yeah, on 5 minutes, well, we had a really good start to the day though. Like, let's turn on my tools here real quick, the other one as well. And you can see what a really good bullish move we got here. Bullish structure straight to the top. Then this was the cool off short intraday as well. Day trade bullish again, day trade negative again. But this was the meat of the move to the day trade bullish trade, right? As I said, if you need access to the tools, links on the description of this video. All right. Okay, so that's AMD. Those are the levels to watch that I just mentioned. All right. So that's that. Wow, too much zoom in. Oh no. All right. Anyways, let's get to ARM SMC. As I said, I'll do a video later. And well, okay, so ARM at this point, overall structure, as we are, if we lose 157.64 cents, it's a trouble and it's not a paradise, but it's trouble. It's more trouble. Well, what I want to actually point out here is something important, and that is, so these were the strong demand zones that I was pointing out the price action closer to the recent demand zones, and every time we have come down in that area, we have bounced, but we failed to make a higher high or higher low. Every time we would then fizzle down and lose the previous demand area. Now, what happens if we fail to make a higher highs, higher lows after these demand zones, they are acting and we continue to dip lower? Well, that means bulls are just giving up and sellers are taking more and more pressure. And now, as if we lose 157 for any reason tomorrow, well, it's on both sides weakness. And when I say both sides, I mean swing and intraday. And for intraday strength again tomorrow, we'll have to get above 159 and 81 cents tomorrow. All right, so that's ARM. Let's get to now Micron. All right, so Micron cooling off. It's still, it's definitely not in that. We have to get above that 96 and 50 cents area for the continuation of the strength up there. Intraday, it's giving us a weakness again, unfortunately. Yes, in the morning it held that level, so nothing to worry about 94 and 31, but the way it has closed is a problem. So tomorrow, if we want to get again back into this strength, we have to get above, first of all, 94 and 24 cents and also above 94 and 74 cents. That's where a good strength again is to the upside. Otherwise, it's getting weak again, guys. It's getting weak again. There's this sort of almost trend line. It's let me actually... It's sort of holding this trend line, but I'm already seeing a lower highs, lower lows. So it's pretty much just the last line of defense on intraday anyways. So just keep that in mind. All right. Okay. So that's Micron. Now let's get to Intel, guys. So very amazing move Intel is doing. Okay. So members already, as I said, it's part of the 45 plus stocks coverage that I do. I told members already yesterday, and right over here today we're just seeing a follow-through move and quite a good move. But the point being, Intel is showing again bullish strength and it has a room to continue higher. Level below, significant levels below that we have could be trailing stop loss areas. Okay, that's all I have for Intel in this video. SMCI is well, as I said, I'll talk about it later today in a separate video. Let the earnings call happen, everything happen, and then I'll do a SMCI video later as well. But so far, so good. All right. Okay, that's all, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Don't forget to check out the details in the description of this video if any of this stuff interests you. All right, take care. Bye.